cute and keen. With a whisker twitch and a playful gleam, what's the sound of its watery dream? Otter, otter, what do you say? Is it splish splash or a playful sway? Do you chirp, do you whistle, do you call out in the night?